Hello, dear friends. This is Dr. Muhammad Aminul Islam. Welcome to my channel. In my previous videos, I explained various aspects of paper writing and publishing. In this video, I would like to show you how to write a perfect cover letter for submitting your article to the journal. This video is very important, so please do not skip. Well, in order to write a good cover letter, you have to know some things. For example, the name of the journal editor and the journal you are intending to submit. So write like this. At first you write date, then name of the editor in chief, then journal name. Then, dear editor, it is like this. I am writing to submit our manuscript and title Emerging Iron Based Mesoporous Materials for Adsorptive Removal of Pollutants, Challenges, and Future Perspective for Consideration of Publication in Mesoporous and Microporous and Mesoporous Materials. So, this is the first paragraph, and then you need to prove the novelty of your manuscript by writing like this. For example, this is a review article, so I have written after an extensive literature review. Whilst there are several reviews related to the general synthesis and characterization of iron oxide, there was no review discussing the combined approach of synthesis, characterization, and application of mesoporous iron based materials as adsorbents. This review is therefore novel in that it summarizes recent research on the synthesis, characterization, and application of iron oxides as adsorbent for wastewater treatment. Applications of mesoporous iron oxide based materials in adsorption process for possible application in water treatment are discussed. So, second paragraph should be the novelty of your manuscript. That means why your manuscript is so important to the reader. In third paragraph, you can write why your manuscript is suitable for publishing in the journal, and you need to showcase your idea like this because our investigation could be employed in everyday environmental research, especially for the removal of metal ions and other contaminants from wastewater. They are likely to be of great attention to researchers, scientists, and a wide community of readers who read your journal. This review manuscript describes the up to date investigation and is not currently under consideration by any journal. All authors have approved the manuscript and agreed with its entry to this level. And finally, you need to thank the editor for considering your manuscript by saying this. Thank you for receiving our review manuscript and considering it for review. We highly appreciate your valuable time and look forward to your reply. Then write your name as well as your affiliation, including email address. So, this is how you can easily make a cover letter for submitting your article to any highly impact journal. Thanks for watching.